Hello everybody, my name is Alejandro Barraza and I'm going to show you the final project, Garage. This is a website for a project that is uh, in the cloud of Google. You can find the repository on GitHub, and I'm going to show you the basic things that I made. In this case, I couldn't get the connection between the the database with Firebase with my web page. So I'm going to show you part by part the things that I made and how it's working. Uh, the things that I used was Bootstrap and Firebase. Bootstrap I used for the the presentation of the website and the intervals between the image or the website server. It's working with Bootstrap. I use Firebase for the connection. Well, this is my first page. That's the main one. That has the the first thing that we need as book service, buy car parts, and the login service, and it's just a little bit between about us, where you can find us. This direction is the address from Cct College. That's my phone and my email. The opening hours, as we say, it is Monday to Saturday, 9 to 4, and Sunday is closed. About us, it's a little bit about the main brands that we can working on, as Lamborghini, Ferrari, Ford, and Audi. Each brand has the link for any car. In this case, as Lamborghini, they made a little bit web page for Lamborghini and the maintenance Lamborghini. This certificate repairs the original spare parts. The Ferrari page it's the same, it's just a few images about the cars that they are working on. The Ford, that the sport cars that they are working, the maintenance Ford, and the Audi as the four main cars that we works. The websites are working with Bootstrap, as I said, and the homepage that we add. I just add a few items. The important things was the logging, that they are showing us the log page that we can connect it and link with the menu or home page. That in this case my problem is that they are not displayed the login or sign up options, that there are two buttons. I had problem with this case with Firebase when I made the connection between that in the in Visual Code. Well, that's sent to us to the administration page. When we log in to that page, we have to add the first name, the last name, and the mobile as requirement. When we get the data of the customer, we set the service status as booked, in service, fixed, completed, collected, or unrepairable scrap for the data of the vehicle. The mechanical that we have in this work as me, and random names as Anakin, Obi-Wan, or Yoda for Star Wars. We can update the status, update the mechanic, or create an invoice. That was the administration page. And the personal information about the car and vehicle has another website, and that does uh, the requirement as full name, phone, birthday, address, and comments. The car specification, the vehicle license number, the vehicle type. We can check if it's diesel, petrol, hybrid, and electrical. If we have motorbikes, vans, buses, or car, the details of the car, if they are not on the list, and submit the formula. As we say, the booking in service as a major service, repair full service, major repair service, or annual service as requirement. The setup time it's between 9 to 4. Each hour are setting if we need more specifications, and the calendar. As we say, today is 15th of January, the 2023. When we are having the car service booking, just we have to add the car driver's license, the year, the brand, the car model, and we have to add the car. And this is just the administration page. Or if we can't buy any car parts that we have to shop in the shop, I have trouble to set up these things. For the specification, I create a page not found when we have any issues with the URL or any other specification that we can find it. I use the Visual Studio Code to create this website. I had a little problems with the database as I use Firebase as I said. At the beginning I used SAMP, but the interaction with SAMP and my SQL was a little bit difficult for me. So I tried to get a tutorial to have a little bit more experience, and that's it for myself. I think it's a little bit a crash because I couldn't log in with the server, but the websites are working almost perfect. If if I don't have that issue, I think it will be a good project. I keep working on this kind of um, project. I opened these files from Champ, as I said, because it's a local host that I create in my computer. And that's it. Well, I'm sorry for this inconvenience, but as I said, thank you so much for all your help, and thank you so much.